As someone who loves gaming and building PCs, I can say from experience that one of the least fun aspects is dealing with heat management. CPUs, in particular, can get very hot very quickly. The Ryzen 9 5900X is a powerful CPU from AMD that can easily overheat if not cooled properly. There are a lot of coolers on the market, but it can be difficult to know which one to buy. Today, we'll take a look at some of the best options and help you decide which one is right for you. Before we begin, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. DeepCool AS500. The DeepCool AS500 is the best air cooler for the Ryzen 9 5900X that doesn't break the bank. It has the same thermal performance as its more expensive competitors, but costs a lot less. The AS500 ships with a variety of nickel-plated mounting hardware and a universal backplate, so it can be used with most Intel and AMD CPU sockets. DeepCool also includes a TF140 SPOM fan with a diameter of 140 mm and a rating of 70.8 CFM at 1200 RPM. This fan only makes 29 decibels of noise, which is pretty low. Fins are added to the tips of the fan blades to direct airflow through the fan chassis and into the cooling tower. This means that you can push your SOC to its highest limit without any problems. When it comes to air coolers, for the 5900X, the AS500 is the best value for money. Aside from how well it works, you'll also like how it looks and how it uses RGB in a tasteful way. Overall, the DeepCool AS500 air cooler is stronger than it looks, making it the best CPU cooler on the market for those who want a cheaper option. Corsair H115 ARGB Platinum AIO Liquid. The Corsair H115 ARGB Platinum is the best RGB AIO cooler for the 5900X. It offers great performance and an RGB light show. The 815 ARGB Platinum from Corsair comes with full coverage RGB accents, two 140 mm LED fans, and a powerful CPU block faceplate backlighting. The 859 RGB Platinum is bigger and bolder than its predecessors, thanks to its RGB fans. It also has a larger radiator, which should result in better liquid cooling. It comes with pre-applied thermal paste and a copper cooling base. The mounting bracket seam is visible from the side, but swivel fittings make installation and tubing placement easy. The 140 mm Pro RGB LED fans from Corsair minimize CPU temperature with 97 CFM airflow and 36 decibels noise. The RGB pigtail provides light and connectivity between the pump housing and fans. The IQ software from Corsair allows you to customize RGB lights, fan speeds, pump RPM, firmware updates, and peripherals. This RGB cooler makes your system seem fancy and performs well. Fractal Design Celsius S36. The Fractal Design Celsius S36 CPU cooler is a great choice for anyone looking for a powerful and quiet cooling solution for their SoC. This CPU cooler uses cutting-edge technology and quality sound dampening materials to give exceptional cooling performance with minimal noise. It produces 20 decibels, making it nearly silent. Liquid thermal paste is highly conductive, and the triple 120 mm dynamic fans cool your SoC in seconds. Adjusting the fan speed optimizes operation. Slow permeability rubber tubing with nylon braided sleeves maintains loop integrity and cooling effectiveness. The Fractal Design Celsius S36 CPU cooler also has a real-time temperature-controlled auto mode that changes fan and pump speeds. This CPU cooler also has Fractal Design Dynamic X2 PWM fans that can be adjusted from 500 to 2000 RPM for near-silent operation under lighter loads and maximum airflow under heavy use. Overall, the Fractal Design Celsius S36 removes all CPU thermal stress. High performance and cooling management were welcome new advances. We recommend this product because of its quiet quad operations. Thermaltake Water 3.0 ARGB. Thermaltake Water 3.0 ARGB is a great choice for cooling your Ryzen 9 5900X. It has a 360 mm radiator, which is great for performance, and also has a signature design. The fan speed reaches 1500 RPM, but the noise level stays below 25.8 decibels, so you can push the CPU without creating a loud noise. The pump ensures optimum water circulation and hits the copper blade to cool the built-in pure ARG fan with compression blades, hydraulic bearing, and 16.8 million color LEDs, or a GB RGB fusion, etc. provide an RGB controller for switching lighting effects. Copper base plate improves heat conductivity for the water block and pumping, and reinforced sleeved low evaporation tubing increases durability and reduces coolant loss. If you want a superb cooling solution with all-load RGB awesomeness, this Thermaltake cooler may be excellent for your Ryzen 9 5900X, especially if you want to utilize a big chassis with a transparent side panel. Noctua NH-D15. We have the Noctua NH-D15. Noctua NH-D15 is the best cooler for AMD's professional-grade Threadripper and Ryzen 9 5900X. It has a dual-tower architecture with 6 heat pipes and 2 fans that provides class-leading cooling. The NH-D15 has a nickel-plated heat sink and pipes, aluminum radiators, and 240mm PWM cooling fans for greater performance. At maximum speed, it delivers 24.6 decibels of sound, making it perfect for studios or quiet areas. If you set your fans to 1200 RPM, they'll be 19.2 decibels quieter. The NH-D15 provides 64mm clearance, with tall memory heat sinks in single fan mode, making it compatible with most high-end RAM modules. That's all for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to hear more videos from our channel, subscribe and make sure to turn on the bell icon.